Hanuman. Hanuman used to play with elephants and tigers in his childhood. One day, he caught hold of a very wise elephant and a tiger together. He was holding the elephant by its tusk and the tiger by its tail. Hanuman was enjoying this act. And then he saw an ashram. The sage who lived in that ashram was known for his mild and calm nature. Hanuman thought, "Let me test this sage's sense of self-control." So he put the tiger and the elephant tied up together in front of the sage's hut. Hanuman performed this act early in the morning. Soon, the sage woke up and came out of his hut. As was his daily routine, he had to go for a wash in the river. But as soon as he came near the gate, he saw a tiger in front. Scared out of his wits, the poor old sage immediately rushed back inside. The sage curses Hanuman. The old sage looked out of the door again, and this time he saw the elephant as well. So he quickly bolted the door and decided to use the window as an exit. When he was climbing out of the window, the sage saw Hanuman sitting on a tree outside. The sage shouted, "So you are the cause of this mischief. Come here." Hanuman thought, "He is very angry. I must obey him." So Hanuman came down, became very small, and entered the window. The sage cursed Hanuman that he would forget about the powers he possessed. Hanuman cried, "Oh sage, why did you curse me like this? I have cursed you for your betterment. This curse will control your strength, which you can later use for the Lord's service. And when that service is required, the Lord will arrange for someone to remind you." After this incident, Hanuman stopped being mischievous. Hanuman seeks blessings from Narada. Once, Hanuman and Kesari were sitting at the bank of a river. They heard a sound, a very nice sound. Kesari said, "I am sure that sage Narada is coming here. I know the sound of his veena, a musical instrument." Hanuman asked, "Who is this person?" Kesari replied, "He is a very great soul. He does not need any introduction. And you should meet him to find out about his greatness." Immediately, Hanuman jumped up and went to greet Narada. He said, "Narada Muni, I heard that you are a very great person. So, you must bless me. Without blessing me, you will not be allowed to go." Narada asked, "What blessing do you want?" Hanuman said, "The demigods have already given me so many blessings. I cannot think of anything else. So, you think of a blessing and give it to me." Narada said, "I bless you that you will become expert in music." That was the only blessing left to give. Now I am going. Hanuman learns music. Hanuman asked Narad, "How will I know that I am good in music?" Narad put his veena on a rock and sat down on the ground. He said to Hanuman, "Sing a tune." Hanuman selected that tune, which would melt a rock, and began to sing it. The rock melted, and Narad's veena floated in the liquid rock. Narad said, "You are the best, and now you can stop singing." But the moment Hanuman stopped singing, the veena got stuck in the liquid and turned to rock. Narad was shocked to see his stuck veena. He asked Hanuman to sing the same tune so that the rock might melt again and he could take out his veena from it. But Hanuman refused and ran into his palace.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.